died. The day when creation crucified its creator, when people who were made nailed to a cross the creator that loved them. It's like the darkest day in history, but we call it good. We call it Good Friday. And it's wild that we say that. How can we say that, y'all? How can we say that the most beautiful, incredible, loving being, the one who created love, the one whom all love and joy and peace and life flows out of, when we crucified him, how can we call that good? Anybody know? Yeah, I heard a bunch of people say it. It's because we know it happened on Sunday, right? But there was a Friday. It was a Friday that had a lot of pain in it. I mean, for Jesus, for sure, but for everybody who loved him and thought, well, wasn't this the one that was going to save us? Wasn't this the Messiah? Wasn't this the one that was going to free us? Now he's gone. And then Saturday, what do we do now? We gave our lives to this and now it's gone. They didn't know what was going to happen. They just waited for the promise, you know? And Sunday came, and they went to the tomb. It was empty, and there were angels there. And he said, why do you look for the dead among the living? He is not here. He is risen. And we're still standing and forever standing in that life today. But I know some people in here, you follow Jesus, you're crying out to him, and you're in a Friday right now. You're in the pain, you're in the Saturday, you're in the waiting. What do you do now? Jesus, didn't you promise peace? Didn't you promise healing? Where are you? I know there's people in here. When are you gonna listen? When are you gonna come through? I hope that this next song reminds you, this moment reminds you that in Jesus, though it may not be the timing that you're hoping for, that you want right now, that you're asking for, in Jesus, in his perfect timing, Sunday always comes, y'all. In Jesus, eventually, for all of you hurting, there will be healing. For all of you broken, there will be putting back together. For all of you stressed and anxious, there will be peace and life and joy. For all of you dead, there will be resurrection. Friday's good, because Sunday is coming, amen? In Galilee, some say man and some say king, wonder working revelry, Jesus Christ the Nazarene. He knew well what it would take to free us all from sin and grave. Perfect man would have to die. Only he could pay that price. Friday's good 'cause Sunday's coming. Don't lose hope 'cause Sunday's coming. Devil, you're done, you better start running. He would breathe his eyes and bowed his head. The Son of God, the man was dead. With bloody hands, tears on their face, they laid him down inside that grave. But that wasn't the end. That wasn't the end. But that wasn't the end. Let me tell you what happened next. The wind came before the dawn. Silence already gone. And now Jesus reigns upon the throne. All heaven sings to him alone. We watch and wait like a bride for a groom. Oh, church, arise, 'cause Jesus is coming still. On my